Hello, good evening to all. Today, um, because it is since it is a rainy season, so I would like to talk about why it is important, why rainy season is important. We have learned and we have read about rainy season and its importance in our school time, but but maybe we are forgetting about all these things. So in the Himalayan forest, trees and rainfall are deeply connected, and they support each other in the natural cycle that keeps the mountains healthy and provides water to millions of people. As we know that the tree helps bring rain, we are aware about it. Trees release water vapor into the air through the process called transpiration. But we have learned all these things in 8th standard or in the 6th, 7th, and 8th standard, but we are forgetting about it. So this moisture mixtures with the atmosphere, helping clouds form. And more forests usually mean more local humidity, which can support rainfall. So this Himalayan force clouds to produce rain. And why I'm talking about it? Because in our Himalayan region, the name of development, so-called development, we are cutting trees. So why I'm saying all these things? Because we have forget that trees are very, very important for rains. And if rain, if we do not have trees, we will face uh, water crisis. We will face what we will face all the climate related things, or we will also we are also dependent on rains to grow crops, like paddy fields need so much rain. If there is no rain, we cannot sow the paddy in fields. So so it's my request to government or our people, make sure that you can plant at least one tree in your nearby place, or do something which is we save trees and we save our environment. You people are thinking that why I'm talking about so much of about all these things, because I feel nature, if nature is if nature is giving us so much things like air, water, um, and fruits, and 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 you know if you make your house, you need you need wood that will come from trees. So everything s- I already told you that we are living in coexistence. So plant trees and give and take relationship. We have give and take relationship. If you plant trees will give you so much which you are giving them. It's there is no comparison trees are giving us or what we are giving them. We are giving them very small thing, and trees are giving us so many things. Thank you very much.